you're going to measure your waist. Then you're going to take ribbon and measure it for the length of your waist. Then add at least 20 more inches to that for the bow. Tie knots at 10 inches on either side of your ribbon. This will prevent the tulle from sliding. Then take tulle in your preferred color and wrap it around a board that is the same length you want your tulle to be. I wanted mine to reach the floor, so from my waist to my feet I measure at about 40 inches, so I used a 40-inch long board. This board was way too heavy, so I suggest using a cardboard. Then cut it at the top for individual tulle strips. Tie your ribbon around a chair. Take a strip and fold it in half to make it even. Bring your strip under the ribbon, make a loop, and bring your tulle through into a knot. Pull tight. And do that approximately 1 million more times, or until your tutu is as thick as you want it. And you're done. Cheers guys, and I'll see you next time.